Welcome back to another video. My name's Alex, the guy from Apples. We got Mike, we got Gary, we got Vic, we got everybody over there. And well, and we got Gustavo too. There's Gustavo, he's walking back over here. Well, right now we're clearing space. Why are we clearing space? Well, let's just say Art got left alone again with a credit card, a computer, and well, we got another machine coming. I know you guys don't like these videos. Don't go clicking away just because you guys don't like the videos of the machinery. Let me show you guys something. The machinery is a side of, or let me tell you guys something. The machinery is a side of us. Without these products, you guys wouldn't have anything. And while without this, I wouldn't be lowriding. So the machine stuff has to come from someone. And well, that someone is us. So we're gonna show you guys what it takes to get the machine in here and the headaches we have to go through when we have about 45 minutes notice that the machine's on its way. We didn't know that, so that's why we're kind of scrambling and running around right now. So here we go. We just got word right now. We're looking right around at 2:30 p.m. ETA for the machine. So we just got everything cleared out over here. So made it just in time. We should have a few minutes to spare to clean everything up here. And yeah, it's gonna take up a lot of space. We're looking at roughly from here to here, we have right about 15 feet ish. Call it ish because it's actually like 14 and like 9 inches or something. The machine itself is just about 12 feet wide, including the chute and a bucket, or chute and a barrel. And then we need about 120 inches this way from wall to us. So that machine should come out to right about, I don't know, oil state number 17 right there. So obviously we cleared out all that section, and we're trying to think long term just in case more machines show up, because the route we're going right now, there's probably going to be about another 2 or 3 more machines by the end of the year. So we're just kind of trying to plan everything. That way we don't kind of block ourselves or lose square footage on anything. Right now these are all set up perfectly fine. We just drug that piece of junk over there. I don't know who that owner is, you know, so just push it over there. All these are set up perfectly fine. So for right now, this is gonna stay here. They're gonna have to work around this. In the meantime, the guys went back to shipping on the other side over there, and we should be getting the ball rolling here. Just all staring at our hands or our phones. We're just pretty much waiting for 2:30 because 2:30 can't come fast enough, because anytime we get a machine, guys, it's kind of like Christmas again for us all over. And the last month, we've probably had like 3 Christmases. So it's been really exciting recently. On top of that, we got the electrical all ran, new machines are plugged in, and we're just pumping away on product. And you know, a lot of people are like, oh, must be nice. No, got that wrong. It is not nice. It is complete opposite of what you guys think. Don't look at the butterflies and the unicorns and the rainbows. It is not like that. It is hard work, it is dedication, and it is a lot of money that we're investing back into our company. The VF4 has landed. Got a new machine again.
Man, it just keeps showing up.
You don't know what's happening, huh?
I don't know.
Someone must have your credit card. So I was trying to get you guys some updated content on the machine, on the VF4 that got delivered. But yesterday I actually wasn't here because it was my daughter's birthday, so we went out to Disneyland, spent the day out there, had a good time. Today's back to reality, and well, it looks like the guys got a lot of work done yesterday. They got the 5 brand new Kurt Vices in, the DX6s, 6-inch jaw, 9-inch travel, great freaking jaws. What we were pretty much running on all of them, minus one of them I believe has a double Kurt on there. So we're running those right now. We're getting all those dialed in, getting them squared away. You can see my Red Bulls there, my coffee, my breakfast, everything. And then I gotta get this guy squared up as well. So I'm working on that right now. And you guys know I hate leveling out these machines. Absolutely hate it. But luckily, the guys at Beltran Machine Movers, they made it happen because they actually put all the legs all the way extended. That way I'm not fighting the weight of the machine, so all I have to do is adjust on the down. So that made it a lot easier. So I got it checked out right now. I'm pretty freaking close. I gotta just fine tune it real quick. Then from there I just gotta get just the cosmetic legs all hooked up on the bottom valance. Then we got the chute already on. I'll show you guys that. We got the chute on. I scraped away all the old gasket and stuff, as you guys can see there. We got the new screws in there. We got this guy's silicone in place. So that's ready to roll. Coolant tank's already been cleaned out. It had a whole bunch of like weird ceramic composite in there. So we got that guy all cleaned out. So now we gotta get these hoses cleaned out real quick. Then get this topped off on coolant as well. Though is absolute freaking beast. It has 50 inches of travel, so we're super excited for that because we're able to squeeze in 5 vices. So what that means for us is pretty much anytime these doors open up right here, that a part's gonna be coming off. So that means less time, and we're able to do this in a faster pace. So let's get going here. Let's get these guys leveled out, and see you guys next time. We just got everything cleared out. We found a whole bunch of muck on the bottom side of the actual drain pan, so we got that all cleared out down there. I don't know if you guys can see too much. So I got the auger running, just pulling whatever leftover stuff was left in here. Then get the coolant on. Coolant's working good. We got nice flow out of all 4 nozzles. I only got 3 on right now. I turned the back one off right now. I'm checking each one individually, making sure we don't have any issues. So flowing good. We got a good return and good drain's coming out good. So I got to say I think this one is pretty much ready for some tools, which you can see Art's already getting some tools set up here, figure out what's going on and which ones we need, and then we'll start getting everything set up in here. So Vic's actually getting material set up right now and cut, getting it ready for the new machine. I got everything dialed in right here. He actually got 1 stick already cut. This is actually the 2nd stick, and I believe we have 2 more to go right there. We all know a video wouldn't be complete without Vic being a complete idiot. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not.
You think you work? You don't work. You're always in the fucking camera. Fucking everything.
I think I have you saying that like at least the last 6 times you talked. I think you said the same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Check it.
Yeah, you need a different line. All right, go ahead. Let's take 6. Go. Do it again. While that material's cutting real quick, we're gonna jump on some 1/2-inch stuff. We gotta get our Tri-Fi bridge kits back in stock. We had like 4 on the shelf come Monday, or this past Monday, and they're all gone. So we're gonna cut up some more real quick, and yeah, we'll hit that time lapse right now. We're playing Mr. Uber on the forklift. Gotta get Greg up there. Greg's back once again, wiring up all the way up there, and he's actually gonna be dropping power to the time saver. So we actually just did a test fire on this guy, and the guy actually ran perfect. You guys know Greg was here last time wiring up the other SL Then he just came in a few days ago and wired up the VF4 for us. Now he's wiring up the time saver for us, and we're gonna hope to get this guy, that guy right there, sorry, that guy fired up as well, but we don't have high hopes for that one. This one fired right up, so, and we already ran parts through it, so we already did a test run and that was good. So now we gotta get the final permanent electrical ran to it. So Greg just got the wiring in. We got the drop up there. All right, let's get this guy, do a test fire. Hopefully we don't look stupid on camera right now. There we go. All fired up, all working. Beautiful. The finish on that's absolutely beautiful. It looks really, really good. So everything's working here. Rotation's all good. So we just gotta get everything buttoned up as far as the panels here and do some final tightening and put the covers back on. We are back with another day, guys. I haven't been able to film as much as I wanted to just because just been so busy here. But remember our new machine that we just had? We just got? Like the same machine that we just got in this video? Well, somebody broke it. Somebody broke it already. No parts even came off and we broke it. Part of the learning curve, guys. So you guys saw we have all the vices all set up and everything in there. So that's ready. They got tooling starting to go in, but they ran into a problem with the screen, so they're working on that right now. So that should be up and live, hopefully, crossing our fingers soon. And just like that, guys, with the magic of YouTube, it's all done, up and running. Somehow, some way, the machine was working, the screen was working. It was really, really dim, and that screen just got replaced when we actually purchased it. But Art went to go adjust the settings on the brightness and somehow disappeared. There was zero. So we tried to mess with it, try to adjust it, but for the cost of it and the headache, just toss a new screen in there, get us up and running, and yeah, start making some parts. So buttoning up this 2-pump, 4-dump setup right here. This was gonna get palletized right now. We gotta build a pallet to go around it. We just finished cleaning it, polishing it up a little bit, and now we gotta wrap it up, get a pallet built for it, and get this guy shipped out to the customer. Well, guys, that's gonna officially end off our day for today. We're gonna head home, we're gonna start fresh, and we'll be back here tomorrow. So I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing. I'm out.